go see the reservoir this way. There's a small reservoir, that's Pine Valley Reservoir. This is the reservoir. I'm kind of at the end of it here where it goes out. But what I see here is actually, we think it's tiger trout. Right there. Not sure, but it doesn't look like rainbow. Is it really tiger trout? I don't know. I gotta go do some research. But this reservoir does have tiger trouts. Anyways, this is the reservoir here. There's a trail that goes all the way to the end and more. It goes through the forest, and there you can see other camp spots down there too. Those are I forgot what that campground was called, but there are several campgrounds in this area. So, but we usually stay at Dean Gardner one because we like to fish here and it's so close to the lake. Okay, I think almost every year around the Mother's Day weekend we come down here. Right now it's in 40s, but that's because some weird weather came through here. Otherwise it's 70s, like 71, low 70s, which is very nice. Sometimes it's a little hot during the day in the RV, but in the morning and evening it's very nice. And this is probably the only place that will have campfire too. Come on, you can do it. She's going to be 18 years old in 1 month. Right, Pepe? Let's go. She usually doesn't go for a walk these days for a long time, but for some reason, she really loves it here. Come on. You feel better? Yeah? Okay, let's go. It's around 10 a.m. local time. We're gonna go just check it out. We're gonna fish in the afternoon, after lunch probably. So we're gonna check out the lake quick. This looks like a decent spot to fish. I wanna check out the next spot. Okay, I'll smell the tree. Right here? Butterscotch. These are mostly ponderosa pines. So when you smell so close to the bark, you can smell like vanilla or butterscotch smell. Okay, how about this spot here? Think it's better here? Okay, I'm gonna go back to the RV and just hang out. Poppy. Oh, Poppy has it.
Do like so many casts and then switch it up to a spinner and thing.
It's a little chilly here, but and breezy. Our goal today is to catch a tiger trout. See, whoever catches tiger trout wins money. We bet money.
Huh?
That's a fish. Oh, there's a fish right here.
It's right on shore here.
We have one bobber out there too. There are a bunch of fish like jumping. Just not catching any. It's breezy out, son. There's some fishing right here somewhere too. Don't see it anymore. It started raining. Okay, another rainbow, baby rainbow.
Let's see if this is a rainbow. It's stuck rainbow.
Can't tell?
Can't tell.
Bye bye.
Potatoes I have to cook on that other grill. What's that? That's what I thought.
Oh yeah.
Should be good for that, honey.
They don't turn into you. Why is ketchup in it? So
Thank you. I have ribeye steak, sliced potatoes, grilled cherry tomatoes, some carrots, and this is pita bread, hummus, and Greek yogurt with chimichurri. Yum yum.
Careful those. That's what it needed.
Come on.
And then, okay. Okay.
This
What
is
flavor?
pie.
This will be
dough.
apple. Will be
Okay.
apple. Okay. And then,
Put a lot.
okay.
What does raw bread dough taste like? Terrible. Can I try some?
No, don't eat. I wouldn't.
You can get sick from it.
It can cause cancer. Apparently everything can cause
that was a
cancer.
mistake. Sorry, that was a mistake.
What?
It folded funny. Oh. Okay.
It's already
Butter
cooking.
knife. Yeah, because it's hot. Oh, it already. Wow. Knocked that off.
Wait till this time.
Oh, I'm gonna cook it this way. So
Should we pull the blueberry out then? Which one's the blueberry?
this one. Come on, how do I get in here without? Oh, look at that.
Perfecto.
Ooh.
We failed. What, first
Now.
2 of them? We failed?
Because we didn't put the butter on properly. So
Okay.
get the pie iron warm first.
Whoa, look at the patterns. Whoa, look here. Whoa.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh, look at that steam coming out.
Oh, hot. Careful.
These pie irons are hot.
Oh, it's very
It's really hot. You guys got to
Very
wait.
hot.
It's steaming hot.
I'm gonna wait by the fire.
All right. So we just used the pie crust. It's like the flat pie crust, and then what you need to do is actually you need to warm this up, and then put some butter over, or you can use one of those spray, oil spray thingy, and then put pie. And I made this apple pie mixture at home. Just sugar and butter and apple, chopped apple, and some cinnamon, I guess. And this is the result. I'm going to eat it first. It's still steaming.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's good, guys. It's good.
Right?
It's really good.
It's just like an actual apple pie.
Gonna make ube mochi waffle for breakfast. Mother's Day breakfast. Who's making it?
Me. Me.
Yeah?